Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the battery and charger on your Dyson SV11 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure your Dyson SV11 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by removing the dust canister. Press the button located on the top of the canister and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and slide the battery out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, gently wiggle it while pulling to ensure it comes out smoothly. Now, let's take a closer look at the battery. If you notice any signs of wear or damage, it's time to replace it. When purchasing a new battery, ensure it's compatible with the Dyson SV11 model. If you're unsure, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right part. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure a good connection and optimal performance. Once the compartment is clean, insert the new battery by sliding it into place until you hear a click. Make sure it's securely fitted. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Next, let's move on to the charger. Inspect the charger for any signs of damage. If it's not functioning properly, it may need to be replaced. Again, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. To replace the charger, locate the screws that hold it in place. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them for the new charger. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the charger away from the vacuum. Take your new charger and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any issues later on. After replacing both the battery and charger, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Slide the dust canister back into place until it clicks. Ensure everything is secure before turning your vacuum back on. Finally, plug in your charger and allow the battery to charge fully before using your Dyson SV11 again. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the assistance you need. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.